Hello, in this tutorial we'll be showing you the steps to thread the Moxie Longarm quilting machine. First, we'll put our thread on the spool pin on the top, bring it up, and put it through the eye of the thread mast. Next, bring the thread over the 3-hole thread guide. Thread it from back to front, wrapping it around from the top to the bottom. Then we need to catch the thread in the thread guide right underneath. Holding on to the thread with fingers from both hands, from the back we get the thread in between the tension disc, having it wrap under, then back up and catch the spring. The thread then goes down underneath the stirrup and then goes up through the take-up lever eyelet from back to front. After that, we take it down through the lowest thread guide. Then bring the thread over to guide it through the whole of the collar from front to back. Now we can thread it through the needle eye from front to back. Lastly, the thread will go down through the hole in the glider foot. And that's how you thread a Moxie Longarm Quilter.